Everyone is talking about slime RNG, and honestly, they say it's a nightmare for free-to-play players. So today, I'm starting from absolute scratch. 0 Robux, no pay-to-win shortcuts, just me, my luck, and a dream to become a pro. Let's see if we're getting insanely lucky or if I'm just completely cooked. Alright, let's roll our first roll. And we got a goopy slime. Pretty basic. Now, if you're new to the game, here is how the core loop works. You roll for slimes, and those slimes will automatically fight the wild monsters in the area. Every time they defeat an enemy, you earn coins. And you need those coins for 2 things: upgrading your stats like your luck and slime slots, or saving up to unlock the next area. Wow, look at this guys, we got buggy slime. Not bad for early game. For now we need to earn 200 coins to unlock automatic roll, so we don't have to roll the dice manually. And right now, our first major goal is to get 400 coins to unlock the next zone. And just like that, we hit our target, paid the 400 coins, and successfully unlocked zone 2. Now that we're in the new area, the monsters here have way more HP, which means our starter slimes aren't gonna cut it anymore. So I started rolling again, and check this out. We just pulled a 1 in 700 chance epic slime. Its damage is absolutely insane compared to our first one. With this beast on our team, the coins are gonna roll in way faster. Since our new slime is absolutely printing money, it's time to spend it on some massive upgrades. First, I upgraded the cheese perk, so now enemies drop cheese for extra buffs. Next, we're putting points into the golden dice to get a huge luck boost every few rolls. And finally, speeding up our roll time because nobody likes waiting. We are officially farming like a pro now. Wait, OMG, we just pulled a spike slime. 1 in 1,268. That is actually insane for an epic. Let's equip this beast immediately. And now that our team is stronger, since we're getting new slimes, let's check the index. I just hit 10 out of 10, which gives us a free 10,000 coins and 5% luck boost. So nice, so nice. Now we just unlocked the snow zone. Let's do some upgrades. Let's just keep rolling until we get something good. OMG, we got spike slime again. Not bad, not bad. Alright, let's unlock the next zone. Wait, hold on. Oh my god, our first jackpot. We just pulled a 1 in 21.5 thousand chance luck slime. Let's equip this immediately. Look at the damage, it hits so hard. Now that we're completely destroying this zone, let's keep going. Alright, we hit 400,000 coins. Time to unlock the new beach zone. Boom. Area unlocked. Let's start rolling and see what we can get here. Let's go, we got 1 in 15k. Let's equip this slime immediately. Here is my current setup right now. This team is looking absolutely stacked. And with all this power, we easily hit 2 million coins. Time to unlock the cave zone. Alright, let's unlock the next zone for 12 million. Look at this, guys. I found a slime crafting station, but everything is locked because we need to find specific recipes in certain zones first. We'll worry about that later, because right now, we have other things to focus on. So I went offline for a bit, and look at this massive offline reward waiting for us. That is a ton of free coins, and with all this money, we are actually doing a double rebirth right now. Boom! Twice in a row. Our luck multiplier is absolutely insane now. Let's start rolling again and see what crazy slimes we get. Wait, what? OMG. What is this? A meteor just crashed out of nowhere. Look, there's a literal lightning fruit inside it. Let's see what kind of crazy power this thing gives us. OMG. That's so cool. It's time to unlock the jungle zone, and let's see what we'll get. Alright, time for our third rebirth. This brings our luck multiplier up to 86. Let's see what we can get with this luck. It took a few more rolls after that, but then, this happened. Oh my god, no way. We just pulled our very first prismatic rarity slime. A big rocky with a 1 in 1.39 million chance. This giant is absolutely insane. Wait, another meteor already. Let's check it out. Oh, we got a magician fruit this time, but you know what? Let's just keep it for now and save it for later. Let's go unlock the canyon zone. Wait, I literally just went offline again, and we already got another massive offline reward. The grind never stops even when we're away. But before we rush into another rebirth, let's upgrade some stats first to maximize our power. Alright, let's go rebirth now. And bro, look at that, my luck has increased so much. This is insane. Let's roll again. Yo, we actually hit the jackpot. A big icy with a 1 in 8.61 million chance. So lucky, so lucky. Let's keep rolling. No way, we got jackpot again. We got wicked. Not bad, not bad. Let's keep rolling. With all these coins, we can finally unlock the mushroom forest for 936 million. Let's go. New area open. Alright, we got so much money right now. But before we rush it, let's upgrade some stats first to maximize our power. Alright, stats are up. Let's rebirth. Wait, literally right as we rebirth, we just got a decent slime the exact same time. We also got some good slime. So lucky, so lucky. Let's unlock the moon zone for 3.8 billion. I went AFK a bit. Now let's do some upgrade. so lucky, we got jackpot again. Alright, let's unlock the Redwood Forest Zone. Now, it's finally time. Let's do the 6th rebirth. Let's keep rolling. OMG, our first transcendent slime. So lucky, so lucky. This is our current setup right now, and literally every single slime on the team is 1 in a million plus. We are officially unstoppable. Just logged back in and we got another massive offline reward. We got jackpot again. We just got decent slime. Let's just keep rolling. Look at this, we got one recipe. Let's see what we can do with it. So we can craft a slime here, but honestly, I don't really care. So let's just keep rolling. Alright, let's do rebirth now. It's time to unlock the Candyland Zone. Guys, look, we found another recipe. Let's just keep rolling. We got jackpot again. Let's move on to the next zone. We got jackpot again. No way. We just pulled the bomber slime from a jackpot. 1 in 307 million. That is absolutely insane. This thing is so OP, we are literally gonna destroy everything. Wow. 1 in 215 million. We're so lucky. Let's move on to the next zone. Time for the 8th rebirth. Let's keep going. We are getting ridiculously lucky. We literally just got an over a billion slime. Here is our temporary setup for now. Let's keep going. Let's rebirth again. And again. Let's rebirth again. Let's unlock the next zone. Let's do rebirth now. The luck literally won't stop. We just pulled multiple 1 in over 10 billion slimes. Look at this setup now. It's getting completely out of hand. We just got the shiny amber slime. 1 in for 130 billion. Our luck is actually broken. Let's unlock the next zone. Look at this, guys. In just about an hour, the admin abuse event is dropping. Let's just wait it. And it just started. The admin abuse is officially left, and things are about to get absolutely chaotic. And look at this. We have the admin abuse spin. Let's see what we're gonna get. Oh my god, a 16x luck multiplier. It's over. The luck is completely broken now. Another admin abuse spin immediately. They're not even stopping. We got 4 times mutation multiplier this time. Let's use all the buffs we have to maximize everything right now. And look at this. The admin is literally just spamming the spins at this point. They are throwing everything at us. Let's see what we're gonna get with this luck. Wait, look at the clover multiplier. 256x luck. And OMG. We just got the big mump. 1 in 1.5 trillion. Are you kidding me? Let's keep going. OMG, what is this? OMG, we just got the brand new fruit, the universe fruit. So lucky, so lucky. The admin abuse event is officially over, and this is everything we got. Honestly, I have to stop recording here because my phone storage is literally crying right now. We're still far from being a pro though, since the strongest slime in the game right now is a 1 in quintillion drop. If you want to see what happens next, subscribe for part 2. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.